Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show about the how to change the Chrome browser search engine. Default open, you can see the this interface. After you can uh, right top corner, say three dots. After you can scroll after show the setting. Click after you can see the search engine left side search engine option. This can show the search engine change interface. After then change button click, then you can uh, click and choose your favorite search engine. Default I'm set the Google. If you want some Microsoft Bing, Brave, DuckDuckGo and Ecosia. Okay, now I sample to Microsoft Bing, select and after set default set. After you can see the interface. I can show the that. Okay, okay, now you can see the Microsoft Bing search engine interface. This type can change the interface. Then you can change same thing. Top right on three dots and scroll setting. After choose the search engine. Default times save the Google and set default. This why can change. Why you change may your Google service all product interconnected. Sometime website access not the search engine change after. Uh, you can this type change. Uh, if you important the video 10 other to share, drop down the comment. And this if you have this method have if you have issue. My English not perfect. Okay, uh, but I try to speak English in this content creating. Uh, okay, we will meet the next video. Goodbye.